In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wiki in OneNote. First, let's open OneNote. You will see the familiar interface with your notebooks displayed. If you have not used OneNote before, don't worry, the layout is user-friendly and intuitive. Look for the application on your computer or device. Once you have it open, you'll be ready to start your wiki. This step is crucial because it sets the groundwork for everything you will build. Next, create a new notebook for your wiki. To do this, locate the option usually found at the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it, and you will see a prompt to name your new notebook. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your wiki. This could be something like My Personal Wiki or Project Knowledge Base. Naming your notebook clearly helps you stay organized. It also makes it easier to find later. Once you have entered the name, click Create. Now you have a dedicated space for your information. From there, create sections for different categories. This is an important step as it allows you to organize your content logically. Think about the main topics you will cover. You might want sections like guides, technology, people, and projects. To create a section, look for the Add Section button or option. Click it and enter the name of your first category. Repeat this process for each section you want to add. By categorizing your information, you ensure that everything is easy to navigate. Now, let's create a home or wiki index page. This is a central hub for navigating your wiki. Start by selecting your newly created notebook. From there, click on the Add Page option. Name this page Index or Home. This page will link to all the other pages you create. Having an index is vital because it gives you a quick overview of your entire wiki. It makes accessing information faster and more efficient. Next, create individual pages for each topic within your sections. You can do this by selecting a section and clicking Add Page. Name each page according to the specific topic it will cover. For example, under the technology section, you might create pages for software, hardware, and trends. This step builds out your wiki content. Each page allows you to dive deeper into specific subjects. At this point, on the index page, add links to those pages. This is essential for creating a functional wiki. To do this, navigate to one of the individual pages you created. Right-click on the page title and select Copy Link to Page. This action copies the link to your clipboard. Now, return to your index page. Here, paste the link. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Repeat this for all individual pages you want to link. This ensures that anyone using your wiki can easily find the information they need. After that, add links between related pages. This enhances the navigation and flow of your wiki. Start by deciding which pages are related. Then go to one of those pages. Right-click again and copy the link to that page. Navigate to the other related page and paste the link there. This creates a web of interconnected information. It's important because it allows users to explore topics more thoroughly. With that ready, you have now created a basic wiki in OneNote. Remember, the more organized and interconnected your pages are, the easier it will be to find information later. You can always come back to expand your wiki as you gather more knowledge. Enjoy building your wiki and happy organizing.